French Guiana has a developing market economy. Services, manufacturing, and construction are the largest sectors of the economy. French Guiana also has substantial resources: gold, iron, bauxite, and diamonds, as well as major ecological treasures. The gross national income, (NI), per capita is among the highest in South America. In this video we will show the largest current and future mega-projects in Guyane française. The Larivot Bridge. The new Larivot Bridge project aims to ease the traffic on the existing bridge. The new bridge will carry road traffic from Guyane to Kourou, as well as a two-way greenway for pedestrians and bicycles. To solve part of the problem and keep the traffic flowing, the new bridge is being constructed alongside the current one, which will remain in service. The works include the construction of the new 1,300-meter-long bridge over 20 spans, with a precast pre-stressed concrete mono-box deck of variable height, the segments of which will be placed on the beam by cantilevering. A project of this magnitude requires a variety of expertise and equipment. So Vinci Construction called on the services of Netherlands-based Neptune Marine Service BV. Neptune Marine is delivering €5 pontoons with various deck equipment, and €2 carriers, including crawler cranes, to support this large-scale project. Gold mining in Montagne. The Montagne d'Or gold mine is located in northwest French Guiana, approximately 180 km west of its capital city, Guyane. The project is anticipated to produce 237,000 ounces of gold a year in the first 10 years at an average grade of 1.73 grams ton. The overall mine life is expected to be 12 years. Columbus Gold holds a 45% interest in the Montagne d'Or mine, while Nordgold holds the remaining 55% stake. The project is expected to create 658 permanent direct jobs and up to 3,000 indirect jobs. Power plant project. The project aimed to develop a power station to produce stable, guaranteed and non-polluting electricity, to supply the equivalent of 10,000 homes all year round, day and night, at a cost that is competitive with the current cost of production in Western Guyana, consisting of a photovoltaic solar park and a massive energy storage unit in the form of hydrogen. It would consume only sunlight and water and reject only water vapor. On its website and social networks, HDF Energy makes no mention of this blockage. The company, which has just celebrated its 10-year anniversary, is developing a business portfolio of more than €5 billion to date. HDF is the designer of the Renew-Stable power plants, its flagship model. Multi-megawatt power plants producing continuous electricity from intermittent renewable energies, wind or solar, and massive energy storage in the form of green hydrogen generated on site. Port upgrade underway. The Port of French Guiana started an ambitious program which will improve infrastructure, upgrade and expand facilities and services. It carried the title, Strategic Project of the Port. The plans address the physical, operational and financial arrangements for implementation over 5 years. It includes rehabilitation of facilities including docks and container areas, equipment acquisition, social organization and training, and systems development for container movement. The major component is the program to increase the capacity of the port area in order to accommodate new industrial and logistics activities, including those related to waste treatment and sustainable development. As regards operations, the Port Authority plans to optimize the port community system and bringing into contact port users, including customs, freight forwarders and shipping agents. Do you think these projects will have a strong impact on development? Share your opinion with us in the comments. And here we come to the end of the video. Don't forget to share the video and subscribe to the channel.